Alright, what is going on, Coaster Crew fans? Here in Hogsmeade, and it seems that a little bit of Jurassic Park is creeping upon it. Lots of work been done. This bridge, actually, I don't recall it being here last week. This thing is just amazing to be seen in person, that double spine track. I'm hoping for some high fives here, but I think that all of this track is in the same block section, so don't think that's going to happen, but alright guys, I'll make my way around the lagoon, get some better shots for you guys. Now, traditionally when we see coasters built, they normally start from the beginning and kind of move on throughout the track, but that is not the case with this coaster. There's all kinds of track just sticking up everywhere that's waiting for another piece to be attached to it. Alright guys, that wraps up our construction update for today. I'm sure next time we do drop into Islands of Adventure, they will have progressed even more. And I appreciate everyone following our page. If you haven't done so, please subscribe to our channel. Hit that bell to receive future notifications on future videos. Give me a thumbs up if you love the video. Comment below if you can't wait to ride. And of course, follow us on all of our social media handles. Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, all at Coaster Crew. And we'll see you guys real soon. Be safe out there.